Hi, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do this fabulous, glittery and very awesome makeup look which is very easy to do. Anybody can do it, even beginners. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. For that we need to get onto our makeup chair. Let's move on to the eyes. For that we need an eye pencil. Now this is a khaki color, if you can see. Okay, I'm going to just apply it all over my lid, close to the lash line. Make sure you don't have any crease on your eyelid first. Don't worry, we're going to perfect that. We're going to do one eye at a time. Now once you've applied the eye pencil, take a blending brush and just blend try and blend the edges first. Can you see how seamlessly it just blended? Try and do this with a very light hand. Okay, let's do the same thing on the other eye. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a black kohl pencil and just try and go very close to the lash line so that we don't disturb the other eye pencil that we've applied. Once that is done, take a blending brush, which is just take a shader brush which is flat and blend the black pencil that you've applied. Can you see? So we create a smoky kind of an effect. Now I'll do the same thing on the other eye and I'll be back. I've got this shimmer eyeshadow and I'll just swatch it for you. Can you see? It has silver and gold reflection. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger and just dab it. Don't worry, we're gonna blend it in some time. Once you've applied the shimmer shadow, just take your blending brush that you used initially and just blend it. Blend it on the eyelid, blend the edges so that you don't have any harsh lines anywhere. I've just taken the kohl pencil and again very slightly did my lash line again and smudged it with the same smudger brush. Okay, let's do the same thing here. I'll give you a little close look. Now with the same kohl pencil, just apply it on the waterline. To smudge the bottom lash line, I'm going to use the palette from Folklore and I'm going to use this black eyeshadow which is there. It is not too dark nor too light, so let's highlight the brow bone. I'm going to use the same highlighter. Okay, for the inner corner I'm going to use the same highlighter. this is how the eye looks. You see how easy it is. If you have an eyeshadow pencil, just blend, dab, and you're done. Okay, I forgot to apply mascara again, so I'm going to use the Essence mascara. For the lips, I'm going to use the NYX Soft Matte. Now to lock everything in and so that it does not move from its place, I'm going to use the NYX setting spray. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Do try it in the festive season. You can wear this look anywhere, wedding, parties, Christmas, any time of the day. Any time of the year, sorry. Alright, so we come to an end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Do share, subscribe, like my channel, and I love you all. Take care, be home, be safe. I love you. Mwah.